Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everybody where they watch me according to your time. This one I carry come now about white money. I know say most of our BBNaija people, all of us know say now this guy, the Odogo of BBN, now he win the 90 million carry and go house. Congratulations to him. This guy never even carry him money go bank. Say, make I go even withdraw and come out. I don't begin hear different stories about him. I don't dey hear say person don belle full, person don carry belle for this guy. Oh, hey, person will be saying fame just even come outside, he never even start to enjoy him. Now there one lady now they claim say him and white money they don't dey. Say before this guy enter house, now the guy don't promise and say make she know abort the belle. Say now when be say the guy don't come outside, make the guy no forget am. They are picking, they wait for her. My viewers, I beg, make na join me watch.
White money, I'm pregnant for you. White money, we are expecting a baby. Oh, white money, we are expecting a baby. You remember that night before you went to Big Brother Naija? You told me not to abort the baby. Yeah, it is. So I'm pregnant for you, white money. Please come and take me home, oh, please.
Now what for our women? Fame just come now you can't know say you won't rush carry pikin and at least allow the boy enjoy money small. Make him go in Dubai, come back before he go come carry matter. They come say okay, oh, I get belle for you. But auntie Abeg, I get one question for you. Why be say when this show they go, you know, come outside, come talk say, oh, I beg go, this white money, you know, they single, he ain't get girlfriend outside the house. Now when be say money don't enter, you don't hear say alert don't enter. Now that time you can't decide, they claim say you won't show your belly, you won't show your bump, say you get belly. I beg, where the evidence? Because no even proof to show us okay, two of them are the date. You don't even bring out picture to show us okay, oh, two of us on with the date and like this. I been a one night stand on a to do. What be said the thing don't come go result into this belly, but auntie me I go advise you, baby mama, shift, put for one side because I dey very certain. Say this guy no go give that chance. Our queen still there. She still even the whole her trophy. She never even handle this guy finish. You walk on the carry belly, walk on the hook and for neck. You think say be celebrity, forget now. No say baby mama, they are rude, they always plenty. So I shall say YOUSEF, you go just go join, stay for one side. Make this guy enjoy him fame small. Unless say YOUSEF just one blow, you just won't come outside contact say you get belly because I no reason this whole thing. If saying get wife will be say get belly, if I don't come outside talk am say now like this he be my girlfriend get belly. But Oga no talk anything. So auntie, I don't know who go rape you, who go give you belly. Well be say you can't come outside now, they claim and on our okay. So if not true, I beg Mr. White Money, we say we go like here. Behind you go palanga this girl, we be say she can't go get belly, we go like here now. If now so we go still support you, no be say we go kill you, yeah. We go support you, but we go like know the truth. If the girl they lie, I be not true, she dey talk. Anyways, my viewers, now here I go end them on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story.